Greetings students, in this presentation we are going to go over the requirements for the Multimedia Remediation Project that you can opt to do in your AP Psychology course. This is a grade replacement opportunity. So if you would like the opportunity to replace one low exam grade, that could be multiple choice or FRQ, or one assignment or project grade you have to choose, then you should complete this project. What do you have to do? Well, you're going to complete the Multimedia Remediation Project and you're going to upload it to the corresponding Dropbox by Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Please make sure that you follow the steps in this presentation to complete the project for a grade replacement. Part 1, you're going to choose a topic. So let's go look at the different steps. So number 1, choose a low exam or assignment grade that you would like to replace. For example, say you did not get the score that you would hope for on the personality multiple choice exam. That could be the grade that you would like to replace this project with. Number 2, you're going to go back to that module, the personality module, and you're going to review the corresponding information in that module, and you're going to choose 5 topics from the personality module that interest you to further your knowledge on. So you're going to learn more about these 5 topics from the module. So with our example of the personality multiple choice exam, I went through the module and I'm interested in psychoanalysis, trait theory, projective test, Abraham Maslow, and the 5-factor theory. So those are my 5 topics. I would go ahead and write those down. Whatever your topics are, write them down. So that's going to steer your project. And then for each of those 5 topics, you will provide the following information. Number 1, you're going to provide the full psychological definition of the topic. What does it mean in psychology? Whoops. Number 2, a detailed explanation of how your topic applies to the study of psychology. Where did it stem from? How is it used today? Has it evolved or changed over time? Number 3, you're going to provide for each of the 5 topics 2 of the following. You may choose either a picture, a graphic, a chart, a link to a video or website with additional information about the topic. So since you are completing at least a minimum of 2 of those per topic, that means you'll have a total in your presentation of 10 of these items. Number 4, what are the arguments for or against this topic? Number 5, provide a detailed explanation of why you chose it as a topic of interest. Why is this information interesting to you? If you're using my example, I chose to study psychoanalysis because ... And then you must include APA citations for all the sources that you used. So APA format is required for all sources that you use. Once you've created the project, you're going to go to the class Flipgrid and you're going to record a short video describing what you learned from this project. And I'm going to have a separate video that shows you how to do this. Part 3, what format can you use for the multimedia project? You can A, create a s'more newsletter, and this is our class code. So I would go ahead and write that down if you want to use s'more. It's KW730651. Or you can use Microsoft Sway, which is included with your Georgia Virtual School Office 365 account. I am making a video for each one of these with instructions on how to access them and use them for this project. So make sure once you choose one that you watch the video. The Flipgrid code is going to be your student ID number, and this is going to be the URL that you'll use. Again, there'll be a video with additional instructions on this. Don't forget, these are important reminders about the project. You must provide instructions somewhere in your presentation or in the comments section of the Dropbox with the name of the exam or assignment in which you would like to grade, the grade to be replaced. For example, the example we used in this presentation was replacing the personality multiple choice exam. So I'm going to indicate either in the comments box of the Dropbox or somewhere on my project and make it very obvious that my name is Erin Hall and I am doing the multimedia replacement project to replace my personality multiple choice grade. I'm not going to ask you for this information, so you need to make sure that you provide it. Please note that the grade replacement assignment must cover the same content for the original grade you are replacing. Again, you're doing personality topics for the personality multiple choice exam. Don't just pick random topics from the course. And then a few extra notes. Complete your coursework prior to working on any remediation opportunities. Check your course calendar. Look for zeros. What's coming up on the course calendar? Do you have those assignments complete? Are you going to get them in on time? That's first and foremost. Then remediation is secondary. Multimedia remediation project and the MOOP remediation that's already open will be graded by the end of the semester. Don't forget to keep schmooping to improve exam grades. And if you're not sure how to do that, please reference the news item that's been posted on that. There's also a video that goes along with that. So the next step here is to choose the platform, Sway, Microsoft Sway, or S'more for your platform, and then getting started, and then watching the videos that correspond with the platform that you choose. Once you've gone through all the information, if you have additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am happy to help.